I can't believe this is happening. I thought for sure we were not seeing him today. What are the chances?
You never hear of the whales here.
Look at the guy swimming. He's right in line.
Where?
Oh, with the pairs, he's gone.
Oh my God, it's going right.
Here comes the whale, too.
Oh my God! That dude just shit his pants. Look how he stopped.
It's just. Oh my God.
Dude, if he had got hit by that flipper, then bummer, man.
We're going watching history right now.
That's crazy.
That's Moby Dick.
They slow down.
That was crazy.
Not like when they hit you, they slow down.
No, and even if it's moving 1 mile an hour, man, it's a
Keeps
couple
going
thousand
1 mile an
pounds. Boom.
I wonder if that guy knew it was there.
No, he had no clue.
No way you'd do that.
That was crazy.
Wow.
Look, he's still not swimming. That dude just. That dude just.
He probably
got
just had a heart
the scare
attack.
of his life.
He's right about it.
Going to go check on him.